Good morning, my dear children. Myself, Miss Chelsea Rabre, and in today's video, I am going to teach you subject mathematics. So, student, can you tell me in our last lecture what we studied? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने कौन सा लेसन पढ़ा? Yes, we saw the lesson on coins and currency notes, right? So we will write the name of the lesson on the blackboard. So student, as you must be knowing that Indian money are in the form of rupees and paise, right? So paise are denoted in the symbol of P and rupees is denoted as symbol of these. Okay student? These are the symbols of paise and rupees. So student, in our last video, we saw from page number 69, right? So in today's video, we are going to see what is there on page number 70. So we are going to start with the first word problem that is on page number 70. You can remove page number 70 and you can refer combined book number 2. Okay students? So what is the first question? Read the problems and solve them. Okay? So what is the first question? Reena has 3 notes of total value of rupees 75. Which notes are these? तो बच्चों हमें क्या पूछा गया है? एक लड़की है और उसका नाम है रीना. उसके पास 3 नोट है. कितने? Reena has 3 notes and the total value of those notes are rupees 75. So student, now we have to find out which are those notes. तो बच्चों रीना के पास 3 नोट है बराबर और 3 नोट की टोटल है रुपीस 75. अभी हमें यह फाइंड करना है कि वो नोट्स कौन कौन सी है? यस, तो आप मुझे बता सकते हो वो नोट कौन कौन सी होगी? सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू राइट अ स्टेटमेंट ऑन द ब्लैकबोर्ड दैट इज रीना हैज 3 notes, okay? And the total of the notes is rupees 75. Now we have to find out which are the 3 notes. तो बच्चों आपको पता है वो 3 नोट कौन सी है? Yes, let me tell you. The first note is note of rupees 50. Okay student, this is the first note. Rupees 50. And after that, the second note which she is having, that is rupees 20. Okay students? Students, and the third note which Reena is having, that is rupees 5. 5 की नोट. Okay students? So all together she is having rupees 50 का नोट, rupees 20 का नोट and rupees 5 का नोट. तो बच्चों all together कितने हुए? 50 plus 20 और 20 प्लस 5 कितने हुए? यस, द टोटल इज रुपीज 75. द टोटल इज रुपीज 75. Okay, students? So, she has one note of rupees 50, one note of rupees 20, and one note of rupees 5. Altogether, it became rupees 75. Understood, students? Yes. So, now we are going to study the second word problem. That is, Suraj Singh has a 100 rupee note, 3 notes of 20 rupees, 2 notes of 10 rupees, 5 coins of 1 rupee each. How much money does he have? So student, now we are going to solve the sum. Okay? हम देखेंगे कि सूरज के पास कुल मिलाकर कितने पैसे हैं. Okay, student? Yes. So, student, in the second question, what is asked? Suraj has 100 rupee note. मतलब सूरज के पास एक 100 rupees की नोट है. Okay? And that note I will stick on the blackboard. उसके पास एक 100 रुपए की नोट है. Okay, बच्चों? और उसके पास 3 नोट 20 रुपए की है. कितनी? उसके पास 3 नोट है और वो है 20 रुपए की. अब वो भी नोट में ब्लैक बोर्ड पर चिपकाऊंगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? So that note I will write in the form of drawing. Okay, बच्चों? Okay, students? Suraj has one note of rupees 100, 3 notes of rupees 20, and also he has 2 notes of rupees 10. That is, उसके पास और 2 नोट है और वो है 10 रुपए की. और हमें क्या दिया गया है? और उसके पास 5 कॉइन है और वो भी 1-1 रुपए के. दैट इज ही हैज 5 coins of 1 rupees. 1, 2 coin, 3rd coin, 4th coin and 5th coin. तो बच्चों, हमें यहाँ क्या पूछा गया है? कुल मिलाकर सूरज के पास कितने पैसे हैं? मैंने आपको बताया था सूरज के पास एक नोट है और वो है 100 रुपए की. 3 नोट है और वो है 20-20 रुपए की. 2 नोट है और वो है 10 रुपए की. और उसके पास और भी कॉइन्स है. मतलब उसके पास 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 कॉइन्स है और वो है 1-1 रुपए की. अभी हमें यहाँ क्या पूछा गया है? व्हाट इज द टोटल? अभी हमें टोटल फाइंड करना है. तो इसलिए हम पहले इस 320 को 100 के साथ ऐड करेंगे. दैट इज 100 प्लस 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 will come down as it is. So student, the answer of this and this addition is 160. Now we have to add 160 with this 210. Okay, 160 plus 10 plus 10. 8s and 1. So now we have to add the 180 plus with the 5 coins. Okay? So 180 plus 5 is so student, our final answer is rupees 185. सूरज के पास है रुपीज 185. ओके बच्चों, हमारा फाइनल आंसर है रुपीज 185. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सूरज के पास है रुपीज 185. 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 160 and 10 plus 10 into 160 is 180 and 180 plus these 5 coins is 185. इसका मतलब सूरज के पास है रुपीज 185. Okay students? Yes. So now we are going to see the last example, that is for your homework. You will solve question number 3 on your own. Okay? And now we are going to solve the last question, that is how can we give rupees 170 into 4 notes. Okay students? Yes. So now we are going to solve the last word problem, that is एक लड़की के पास रुपीज 170 है और हमें क्या कहा गया है, और वो 170 रुपीज हम 4 नोट में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे बताओ, हम रुपीज 170 को 4 नोट्स में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. यस, वेरी गुड. सो फॉर दैट we will need rupees 50 note. Okay? For that we will need note of rupees 50. Right? That is 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 1 note of rupees 20. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो बच्चों हमें हम क्या कहा गया है, एक लड़की के पास रुपीज 170 है और वो हमें 4 नोट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो हम कैसे करेंगे, 3 नोट ऑफ रुपीज 50 एंड 1 नोट ऑफ रुपीज 20. तो बच्चों इसके टोटल है रुपीज 170. ओके, इसकी टोटल है रुपीज 170 और ये 4 नोट है बराबर, एंड इसकी टोटल है रुपीज 170. रुपीज 50 प्लस रुपीज 50 प्लस रुपीज 50 प्लस रुपीज 20 इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 170. Okay students? Yes. Now we are going to see the last question, that is write a total amount value in the empty boxes. Okay students? Student, now let us solve the last question, that is write the amount total value in the empty boxes. मतलब we have to write the total amount of the notes, that is we have to add the total of all notes. Okay students? Yes. So here I have 1 note of rupees 50. Okay students? I have 1 note of rupees 50. And here I have 1 note of rupees 500. Okay? And the last note I am having is one note of rupees 100. ये है 100 rupees की note. So student, now here we have to do the total of all the notes and find the amount of this note. Okay student? तो मुझे बताओ what is, first of all we are going to put a plus sign between the notes. Student, now tell me, first of all we are going to start adding from here, that is 500 plus 50. तो मुझे बताओ what is rupees 500 plus 50? Yes, let's do the addition. 500 plus 50. That is rupees 550. तो बच्चों अभी हमें यह टोटल 100 के साथ ऐड करना है. तो बच्चों let's add this total with 100 rupees. 550 plus 100. तो बच्चों टोटल क्या है? 650. So student, the total of 50 plus 100 plus 500 is rupees 650. Understood students? Rupees 50 plus rupees 500 plus rupees 100 is equal to rupees 650. Okay students? Yes. So now we are going to solve two more examples like this. Okay? Student, now here we have to find the total of all these notes, that is 50 plus 500 plus 100 plus 20 plus 10. Now over here बच्चों हमें यहाँ सब नोटों की टोटल अमाउंट फाइंड करनी है, इसलिए हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. दैट इज इन द लास्ट सम वी सॉ 500 प्लस 50. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 550. राइट? सो 550 प्लस 100, इसका आंसर क्या होगा? लेट्स ऐड वंस अगेन. 500 प्लस 550 plus 100 is 650. So now we are going to add rupees 650 with 20. Okay? That is 650 plus 20. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 will come down as it is. तो बच्चों हमारा आंसर है 670. So now we have to add rupees 670 with rupees 10. Let's add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 6 will come as it is. तो बच्चों हमारा आंसर है rupees 680. Understood? Our answer is rupees 680. So here I have added rupees 50 plus rupees 500 plus rupees 100 plus rupees 20 and plus rupees 10. That gives us answer rupees 680. Understood, students? Yes. So today we have studied more in detail about coins and currency notes. Right? Yes. So in the first part we saw more in detail about coins. Right? How coins are used and and we saw also coins. Right? We also saw coins. And in the second part we saw the notes. Right? Yes. So students, for your homework you all have to complete page number 70. Okay? So from the page number 70 I have taught you question number 1, 2 and 4. And from the question number 2 I have taught you first sum. Right? So for your homework मतलब आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से थर्ड सम अपने आप सॉल्व करना है एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से सेकंड सम अपने आप सॉल्व करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? यस. So that's it. Only you have to complete page number 70 for your homework. That is from combined book number 2. Okay students? Yes. Thank you.